Good morning, children. Now, as we have discussed earlier that in this chapter, the smallest number and the greatest number. So, single digit, one digit smallest number, all of you know, one digit smallest number is 1 and the greatest number is 9. Two digit smallest number 10 and greatest number 99. This is a 3 digit 100, 999. 4 digit 1000, 9999. 5 digit 10,000, that is 99,999. Greatest number, smallest is 10,000 and greatest is 99,999. 6 digit 1 lakh, greatest number 9,99,999. Now this one we have earlier discussed and I have explained it. 1 digit 1 smallest and greatest 9, 2 digit 10 smallest and greatest 99, 3 digit 100 smallest and greatest 999, 4 digit 1000 smallest and greatest 99,999, 5 digit 10,000 smallest and greatest 99,999, 6 digit 1 lakh smallest and greatest 9,99,999. So this was our revision portion. Now after that I have explained how to write the number in figures and words. Write in words. 7,640. Here suppose this is the number and we are writing in a words. Now what to do? You have to see that which number, how many digits are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 digits. So 4 digit means in 1000 the smallest number comes. The smallest number is 4 digit is 1000. So from 1000 it will be start. And the 4 digit greatest number is 9,999. So 7 here is the thousands place. First of all, this is ones place. 7 is at thousands place. 6 is at hundreds place. 4 is at tens place. And 2 is at ones place. Understand? 2 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, 6 is at hundreds place, and 7 is at thousands place. Thousands place means what? 7 times 1000. That is 7 into 1000 is equal to 7,000. Understand? Thousands place means 7 times 1000. 7 times 1000 means 7 multiplied by 1000. That is 7,000. So in this is 600. 6 times 100. That is 6 into 100 is equal to 600 is 600. Understand? 6 is at hundreds place. It means 6 times 100. So 6 into 100, that is 600. 4 is at tens place. So 4 times 10. How many times 4? 10 times 10. 4, that is 4 multiplied by 10. So 4 times are 40. 40. Now 2 ones. 2 times 1. That is 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Now see, write the digit ones place below the ones digit, tens place below the tens digit, hundreds place below the hundreds digit, and thousands place below the thousand. So here there are 4 digits, here are 3. So you have to write 1 here so that it becomes 4. So that you can add easily, there will be no mistake. Here are 2 digits, but we want 4, so again add 2 right before that digit. digit. 2 zeros we have to write. Here, how many zeros? 3 zeros we will write. So that it becomes 4 digits. So all are 4 digit number now we can add easily. 2, 4, 6, 7. So 7, 6, 4 the number comes here. It means that how to write in words 7,000. 7,000. Now after 7,000 what comes? 600. 600. And what? 4 tens, that is 40. And 2, 42. 7,642. Tens and ones place are written and spoken both together. 42. Understand? So 7,642. Now another example. Four zero six five. Now how to write in words? Now here also there are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits. So 4 is at ones, tens, 100 and 1000. See, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 4 is at thousands place. So 4 times thousands place. So 4 times 1000. That is 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000, that is 4000. Okay. 4 is at thousands place. So 4 times 1000, that is 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. Now 0 is there on hundreds place. So 0 times 100. 0 into 100. 0 times 100 means 0 into 100. Now any digit, any number multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. Okay. So here 0, 0, 0, 0. Answer will be 0. Now after 0, 6. 6 is at tens place. So 6 times 10, that is 6 into 10. 6 tens are, or 10 6 are 60. But we have tried in 4 digits. So you will write 2 zeros before that number. Okay, so it becomes a 4 digit. 5 is at ones place. 5 times 1, that is 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. So 0, 0, 0. Now total we will see that the number itself will become 6, 0, 4. 4065. See that this is the number. So we are right. Now we will write it in a words. So what is the first? 4,000. 4,000. Then 0, 100. So it is not need to write 0. If there is 0, then it is not needed to write 0. Understand? So 4,000. Then leave 0. That is the now tens and ones place. This both digit will be speak together. So 4,000. 0 is there. So no need to write or speak about 100. Direct tens and ones place 6 and 5. 6, 5, 65. So 4,065. Understand? 4,065. Okay? Have you got it? 4 is at 1000 place, 0 is at 100 place, 6 is at tens place, and 5 is at ones place. Now 4 is at 1000 place, it means the 4 times 1000. 4 into 1000, that is 4000. 0 is 100 place, 0 times 100. 0 into 100 is equal to 0, 0. 6 at tens place, 6 times 10, that is 6 into 10 is equal to 60. 5 is at ones place, so 5 times 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So it means 4,000, 100. So no need to write 100. Understand? 4,000, leave this 0. 4,060. Then 5. 4,065. Understand? Another one. Nine, 6, 8, 7. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So there are 4 digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. 7 is in ones place. So first of all we will start from the bigger thousands. 9 times 1000. 9 into 1000, that is 9,000. Then 6 times 100. 6 into 100, that is 600. 8 times 10, 80. 7 times 1, 7. 9 times 1000, 6 times 100, 8 times 10 and 7 times 1. These are the position of the numbers. Hundreds place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So 9,000 plus 600, so here 0, 000, 000. So that we can do addition. 9, 6, 8, 7. So the number has come. Now we will write in words. 9 times 1000 means 9,000. 600. 600. 8, 10, 80 and 7, 1, 7. 8, 7, 87. 600. 87. Understand? All of you understand or not? 9 is at thousands place, 6 is at 100 place, 8 is at tens place and 7 is at ones place. So 9 times 1000, that is 9,000. 6 times 100, that is 600. 8 times 10, that is 80. And 7 times 1, that is 7. So 9,687. Understand? Okay. Another one, last one. Double 0, 6. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So thousands place it is 2. So 2 times 1000, that is 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. 0 times 100. 0 into 100. Any number multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 times 10. Again 0. 0 into 10. 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 times 1. 6 into 1, that is 6. 2006, the number we got it. Now we will write in a words. 2000. 100, so no need to write about 0. So 2000, it is not needed to write. 0 times 1000 is also not needed. So 2006, direct we have to write 2006. 2006. This is the answer of this 2006. Understand? So okay, now I will give you some homework to you. You will write in your notebook. Okay? Write in words in this way only. Two, 4, 6, 7, 6, 0, 4, 5, 8, 0, 9, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, this is the homework for you. You will write in the words as I have explained you. Understand? Okay? Okay, thank you.